I am no. So isang old. I remember I went here before. Abandoned plants. See, no water at all. Look at that. Wala na. And this one's so cute. I think I'm gonna get this one. Hanap ako ng kukunin ko. Oh, the last time I checked you, mataas ka pa din. Ang cute, no? Ang ingay ng aso na to. Look at this. And that, wala na. I think pwede pa naman. Malapit ng rainy season. Ouchie. Look at this. I think mahal ito. Look how long. So sobrang self-dependent na sila. See? Wala na. Ito. Kailangan natin alisin. Oh no. Hihingi na naman ako kasi nasira. Wow! Ang ganda! Ewan ko. How are you? Oh! Look at this. Oh no. The cactuses are up. Meron nang I have to put this down. Look how big they are. At least carrying nila sa mainit. Look how. Oh, wala na. Dami oh. Ang dami po. Itong dami namatay. Binenta lang ng mura. These ones are so cute. I'm going to get something for my... I have some... Ganito lang. Tingnan mo yan. Got bigger. Wala ko ng mga pangalan eh. Pero hanap tayo ng cute. Look at this. Ay. See? I think binasaatan niya to. Ayan. Or maybe because of this. Ayan. Ay, naku talaga. What will I get? This is so cute. This one. I got another cute one. I'm gonna get you. Para sa akin. Oh, this one's red. Pero ayun, tingnan mo. Hindi ata kaya ng camera ko inside. So much for this. Gusto ko to. Kasi wala akong malaking... Ay! Sorry. Pag may bibili, kahit benta lang niya ng 10 pesos. This one's so nice. Ay, naku. Or ito, I think this is some kind of aloe vera. Ay, yung maganda. Kukunin ko ito lang. So cute, oh. Para palitan ko yung ano. I think, what's this? Let's put it on. Ito. Look at this. This is another cutie pie. Pwede namang alisin yan. Ganon siya. Tapos i-replant ko na lang. Nung makita yung beauty niya. Ayan. Oh. Look at this. Hindi ka makuha yung iba. That one also is a gem. Mahal din yan. And also this one. This is actually para siyang heart shape. Ay! Sorry. See? So I'm I'm just going to remove it sa kanyang pot. Put new soil. Then we're good to go. Ayoko ng mga cactus kasi may bata sa bahay. Ay, naku po. Hindi nasika. This one's also a nice one. Wala na nga talaga siyang ano. Okay, let's see outside. Tingnan mo. Can't even enter. Ayan po yung madami pa sa loob eh. How can I enter here? Nung una hindi ito basukal, ngayon masukal na siya with flowers. Oh, I can't even enter. Can you hold this for me, please? Please.
Why?
So I'm gonna plant it. There's another one. So cute. I'm gonna check inside, okay?
Lala.
Grabe, grabe. Grabe, I'm in.
Ano?
Oh, I'm just stay there. I'm just gonna check something.
What other stuff?
Yep, I think your daddy locked it.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Let's check.
Okay. Going. Bye-bye. Is na Adam dadalo na tanong po sa iman anak da iman.
Where's your pusa?
Maga.
Uh-oh.
Ay inayon ng kitchen umuwi sinasok pinaknak pa lang san asok yan.
Oh no, they're so dead. Are they dead?
This.
Wala
They're
na.
not dead. This one is not dead.
Look at this. Oh, ang gaganda pero think when it's gonna rain, it's gonna be okay.
Look. It's
Wala
gonna
na.
be dead.
Oh, ay, naku. I cannot get them all. Let's wait for them to grow again. Let's get this one. Let's go. Only that one. Look at this. It's like a flower. Oh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this. No. I'm gonna
Look at this
cut it.
big flower.
Well, let's go because
Wow, we got a new flower on it.
tingnan mo.
Tita,
Tingnan mo naman, wala na. What?
look on beautiful flower.
Okay, let's go. This one's more beautiful kasi look.
Where?
See? Ang dami oh. It has a lot of water. Okay,
Tita.
get out, guys.
I like this plant. No, why you just do that?
I'm gonna plant that again. Ito po ang masukal na aming
This is my plant, not
Okay, go. Hirapan tayo mag-closing.
step it.
Check it. Ayan. Ganito lang po ang kanyang luck.
Look on
For someone who can.
this. It's so long.
Okay, let's go.
It's like a flower.
Okay, di na ako makakalabas.
Look,
Let's
it's
go.
like a flower.
I know. Ken. Help me.
Why
Okay,
did
then.
my yato?
Yes, they need water. Look at this.
Look at this other one. This is beautiful.
Yes, I know.
And the other this.
Okay, let's go. Ito po. Okay. Now I'm out to get some of my carrots. Okay. The ball plantation. At meron pa silang let's see. Let's try these ones. Ano po ito? Chayote. Get something to cook later. See? All the way up there. I guess na. Come here. Pengi. Kukunin ko sa taas. Hindi pwede. See? I have some. Diba, wherever you go, dito puntang kuha ng mga What? I'm here. And where's the carrots?
I found some dolly. I found
What is that? Okay.
So cute like a rabbit. Toy.
Nay, hold me. Hold mo, I'm gonna get my carrots. Okay, thank you. Don't put it there. Arita, marugitan. Hold it.